Hi. No.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Griffin King. I'm the Director of Operations.
Hi, my name is Garrett Hartman. I'm the Director of New Store Openings. The platform that you're currently on is called Trainio. It's the platform that you will use to do all your on classroom-based training. Swing and a miss.
First and foremost, here at Splash, we're not just about washing cars. We're about our people and our culture.
Did I talk too fast?
Excellence. With the growth and opportunity that's coming.
That was pretty good.
Dude, that was really good. That was really good. Nope.
Do I have to go again?
No, dude, yours was good. Yours was good. I get to that point, and for some reason, there's a little bit of a blank.
Hi, I'm Griffin King. I'm the Director of Operations.
Hi, my name is Garrett Hartman, and I'm the Director of New Store Opening. This is going to be your online training platform that you're going to use during your entire training print. Oh, excuse my French, guys. During your training plan. Nope.
Christian doesn't need your encouragement.
Give me a second. Got it clear. Two things that I encourage you to do during this process is to ask questions and trust the process. Thanks. Good?
Good.
We should do a bloopers thing at the end.
We're just getting stuff ready for the Christmas conference.
Yeah, I'd be like, golden.